One person can change the world, and I think Stephanie does a wonderful job really encouraging that.
I believe we all want to do our best. We all want to bring our A game to work and life. We need to come from a place of being fulfilled. No, that's okay.
It took a long time.
And you know what? It's important. We need to own our gifts. We need to own what we're awesome at. Instead of kicking people off the bus, let's create a bus that everybody wants to ride on. It's about small, continuous improvement. Aren't you excited? What's important now?
The only thing that I teach is working harder on yourself than on anything else.
And the most amazing stories have come out.
And as soon as he said his name, I was like transported back in time.
Stephanie Staples is like this ball of energy. She's tiny, but she's bright and she's fast and she's quirky, and she just lights up a room.
You'll cry with her, you'll laugh with her, you'll have fun with her, and you'll be hooked just meeting her once.
What do you do that special way that only you can do it? But you're like, look at them, they're fine. They're smart, they're good looking.
Stephanie teaches people a lot of things about life, and one of the things is giving and living your life unlimited.
Okay, this corner room represents people who currently, in their opinion, do not take extremely good care of themselves and are completely fine with it.
Wow, I think she's fabulous, fantastic, extraordinaire, superbe.
It is physically impossible to be miserable in this position. Try it.
Steph's a pioneer. She's just beauty and light.
Impressive. Fabulous.
Inspiring.
She's awesome.
Awesome.
She's awesome.
Fantastic.
Amazing.
Amazing.
It's amazing.
She's great. Love it.
I was mesmerized.
She's a beautiful person. There needs to be more people like her in the world.
Thank you for what you do. My name is Stephanie Staples.
People just leave enlightened.
I've been very blessed to have her in my life, and I know that you will too.